Okay, thank you. Congratulations, man. Oh, thank you, bro. Congratulations, dear.
Thank you very much, Bruno. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much, Bruno. We love you. And don't forget, please don't take off the ribbons. We're still in the celebration.
Yes.
Back home?
No, you don't walk like that. You have to walk like newlywed couple.
Okay, so the newly wedded bride, here
That's
we
what's
go. Darling.
You'll be.
So why are we not somewhere exotic? We shouldn't be home, it's our honeymoon.
Very soon we'll go for a honeymoon.
Really? Okay. So tell me, where exactly are we going? Because I have my bikinis ready. For my selfies and all.
That will be a surprise for you.
Wow. I love surprises. But don't keep it for too long.
Okay then. Not keeping that for too long. So, can we go inside? So I start from here. Lick my baby. Down here.
What about starting from here?
Oh, no, not really. No, we need to capitalize on
No
something.
one is capitalizing on anything. But
that's what you said.
no, it's not true. Anyway, that aside, I want us to talk about something more important to me. Honey, I've been asking you where we'll go for our honeymoon. You said it was a surprise. Like, I can't even wait to hear it because I have so many pictures in my head already. You know, taking a selfie on a yacht, cruising somewhere, you know. So please, tell me already, where are we going?
Okay, well, how
Break
about
the
honeymoon?
news!
I know. You see, I'm actually thinking of, there's this Lebanese hotel
Whoa!
in Abuja. You are going to love it.
Sorry, did I hear you say Abuja?
Oh yes, the FCT, the Federal Capital Territory.
Jesus Christ, I can't.
Is there any problem?
What do you mean Abuja? Abuja is just here. It's just 45 minutes flight to Abuja, honey. I'm not talking about a meeting. I am talking about our honeymoon, like after our wedding.
Of course I know, but...
So why do you have an issue with that? It's not like you can't even afford it. So where are we going to Abuja? Why can't we go overseas?
but come on, honey. This hotel is cozy and exquisite.
Please. I don't even want to hear that. Don't even repeat it. What do you mean Abuja? Honey, I don't even want to hear you talking about Abuja. I won't take it. It's either overseas or no honeymoon. Talking about honeymoon or now Kuzi and exquisite. Or now Kuzi. Who is exquisite? Who are they? Don't even try it, please. Please.
Listen, you don't have to be angry for no reason.
What should
Babies. Come on, FCT is nice.
Jesus Christ. Really? Please. What am I supposed to go and do in Abuja?
Did you just walk out on me?
No. I just got here.
Okay, fine. We are going to have our honeymoon in London. You know, go to watch football matches.
Oh, please. Just stop that joke. What is London? What is happening in London? No, tell me. What's happening there? What if we go to places like the Bahamas, somewhere like Paris, to Dubai? I mean, tourist sites. You're taking me to London. Am I going to count bridges? What am I going to London to do?
Well, we can't baha anything for now.
Oh.
Yeah, because I didn't actually plan that. London is cool for us to have a honeymoon.
If we can't go to any of those places I just mentioned, just stop talking about this honeymoon to my hearing. Because you're beginning to irritate me.
What did you just say?
You heard me. Excuse me.
Really now?
Oh no.
Okay, what's funny?
You are ridiculous. Honestly, you are.
How do you mean?
Babe, you have to be careful so you're not misunderstood. I mean, I do not want him to see you as a gold digger.
I am his wife, for crying out loud. I deserve everything good.
Please arguing on that. But you have to slow down. I am your best friend and I will never lie to you or deceive you. Slow down.
She says I should slow down.
I insist that you slow down.
No.
Very well then.
Honey.
Oh, hi darling.
Not even a hug?
I'm sorry. Just sometimes say please.
Okay, please. I was okay.
That's fine. I've been on my phone. Someone sent me something. I've just been checking them out. Some new jewelries in town.
I see.
So, sorry. How was your own day?
Oh, my day was just there. You know, I got a couple of externals coming for project, but that's by the way.
Oh, great.
So I bought something for you. Stuff, so I know you're gonna like it.
Yanga.
Oh yes, Yanga Boutique. That's like one of the best boutiques in town. It was hard to make that choice, but yeah. Now it will fit the shiny stars and all of that of my baby.
Sorry, is this for me or for your mother?
Oh yes, it's for you.
Can you get this for me? Honey, come on, this is cheap. I didn't even wear this while I was still in the university.
Okay, how can you call this cheap, love? This is top notch. Oh come on, why would you say that? I bought this from the best boutique in town. Why would I buy?
That's my type. Honey, come on, how can you buy this? It even smells like something you got from those people who sell okrika by the roadside. I don't understand. Did you get this from a boutique or from a boutique?
No, that is not fair.
Don't tell me it's not fair. This is not nice.
How can you look? This is nice.
Honey,
You're
please,
gonna
I can't.
wear it first. You're gonna.
I can't try this.
So you didn't tell us you were coming.
Yes, I came for a wedding and I decided to sleep over.
Mama, you are welcome. You are very much welcome.
So, honey, can you take her to the guest room?
Sure, Mama. I have so many gist for you.
Really?
Your baggy. Don't even know the gist. I'm telling you, if you see that's our neighbor. Honey, I hope you haven't forgotten about the money I told you. The one for my makeup kit.
Oh yeah, I still have that in mind. As a matter of fact, you're getting it right away.
Thank you.
You're always welcome. Alright, here we go. So that is like 20,000, I believe. Okay.
Honey, please, just sit down first. Sit down.
What? Right, I'm running late to run along.
What are you giving me 20,000 naira for? What am I supposed to buy with 20,000 naira? I told you I'm buying my whole kit and you're giving me... What will I do with this?
Easy, baby. I didn't know 20,000 won't be enough.
Well, it won't be enough.
Well, that means I have to withdraw my way out. This should be like 25, so I'll take.
It's still not enough though. Least I forget. Mama is going back today.
Oh, that's true. Okay, there's some money I left in the wardrobe. You can take some from there and give to her. For her transport, huh?
Alright.
See you.
Have a nice day.
Hope it's not what I'm thinking. Honey? Honey? Yeah, honey. Yeah, I was wondering, the money I kept in the wardrobe, did you see it?
What money are you talking about? Is it the same money you asked me to give my mother for transport?
Wait. You mean you gave your mother 150,000?
Uh-huh.
You gave your mother 150,000 for transport.
Is
Is she going to heaven?
What do you mean is she going to heaven? Nachiregodo. Each time we start talking about money, you start being rude and you start raising your voice at me. Makagini kwano? Eh?
Wait.
No, wait, let me finish. You asked me to give her money. I simply carried out your order. I gave her the money in the wardrobe. Why are you shouting?
Brenda, are you joking? You gave your mother 150,000. So, are you for real? Huh? So you can't give her 20,000 or 30,000 for transport. You gave her 150,000.
Nene, 20,000 or 30,000. What will she use 20,000 naira for? Let me understand something. What is it with you and this defensive mechanism when it comes to money? You are becoming a stingy man by the day. Gradually. It started small. Now it's becoming very big. I didn't come to this house to come and suffer. Biko, don't even try it. Money you asked me to give to your own mother-in-law, the same woman that carried me and gave to you. You are here shouting.
Oh, no, but Brenda, you're obviously joking. You can't...
You're not even serious. Why am I even here arguing with you? 150 that you're shouting. Now bring down the house. Fire! Raise fire in the house and bring it down. Excuse me, Biko. Now bring fire and burn the roof down. Madman.
Jesus Christ. Is this what I'm going to see? Wait, is this what I'm going to pass through?
Do the last one, you haven't touched it. Okay, ma'am. Oh, welcome, sir. Honey? Okay, ma, I'm sorry. I'm coming back. Let me finish it up.
Okay.
When you drop the box, you come and complete it. You're welcome.
Who is she?
Who? Oh, Agatha, our new maid.
Maid.
Yes, maid. I spoke English, not Spanish.
Wait. You employed a maid without my consent? Why?
I employed a maid without your consent. Am I not your wife? Can't I take decisions in this house anymore?
You are my wife. That's the main reason you have to tell me before taking such decision. How can you employ a maid without my consent? Are you out of your mind?
Well, if you don't need a maid, I do.
Well, I do not need a maid and she will leave this house. Hey. What's your name?
Agatha, sir.
Very good. Do you like your life? Like, do you like the air you breathe?
Yes, sir.
If you don't want to lose any of that now, get out of this house.
I don't understand. Leave to where? A maid I personally brought for myself, you're telling her she's going to leave. Did you bring her here?
Did you hear what I said? You don't want to lose any of that, do you? You don't. Okay. Wait for me then. I'll be right back.
Let you go and come. You're always going and coming, and by the time you come back empty-handed. Or even worse than you left. Rubbish, I brought a maid, you want to send her back. My dear, people continue what you're doing.
Ma, please, I have to go, please. Please.
Let's try his place, I have to go. What is that? Are you that lily-livered? Is it because of this small ranting he ranted here? He's just a dog, that is how he barks. My dear, continue what you're doing.
Ma, please, I don't want to cause trouble. Oh, Biko.
Agatha! Andy, since you want trouble in this house, I will give it to you. We will finish it today. What's the meaning of this?
You see, I know I'm not supposed to tell you this because it's barely 2 weeks we got married. But I must tell you, I'm under fire.
What's the problem?
Brenda is making the house horrible for me, unbearable. She nags. She's too lazy. She talks to me rudely. She wastes. Above all, she's just insatiable.
Andy, these are part of the things you're going to experience in marriage. I mean, there are ups and downs, there are characters to be condoned. Listen, with time it will get better and you'll both understand yourselves. Don't forget, every woman needs to be pampered.
Honestly, Olive, you won't understand. You won't understand what I'm passing through. If I knew marriage was like this, I would have waited a little longer.
No, wait, this is unlike you. You have never complained about anything like this. What's the problem? In fact, should we go to a restaurant and discuss this?
Okay.
Those kind.
So,
Okay. So this is a toast to the newlyweds. I wish you so much happiness, peace, and love. Andy, I love the way you look at Brenda. And I hope you never stop looking at her that way. Cheers.
Hey, I'm here.
And on that note, I want to thank both of you for your contribution towards our wedding. I mean, you guys are the real MVP. God bless you.
Amen.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Between my favorite part of the wedding was when my learner colleague came with a big coat.
And you know another funny thing? My dad kept asking for the officiating priest. I didn't tell him it was a court wedding. Why? He was going to die.
Love, I have a little surprise for you. I'm thinking of showing you that maybe after eating.
No. You just said it's a surprise and I want to say no.
Okay then. Okay. Someone can wait for her surprise.
No, she can't. I can't too.
Okay then.
Shall we?
Yes.
Yeah, we shall.
Okay. No, I'm proud.
So, to my lovely wife, the sky is for you.
Oh, and it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Honestly, let me not pretend. I don't like this car.
Why?
What do you mean, why? What happened to Lexus 470? I mean, a Benz or something nicer, Brenda. What am I supposed to do with this car? What's this? What's the brand? Hyundai? Is it from China or Taiwan or Qinghuang? Where did you get this car from?
Brenda.
What's Brenda? But that's the fact. If you wanted to get me something, why didn't you get me something better, like a good car? I mean, just shut up. Brenda.
No, for real, what is wrong with this guy?
Nothing is wrong with the guy.
What was the meaning of that drum outside? I am his wife. And I deserve more. Something better.
What has come over you? It's just a gift.
A gift for a newly married woman. It should be something tangible and not some sort of crap.
What has come over you, I ask again. Bae, you are his wife. And you have complete access to every single vehicle in this house.
Olive, please just stop it already. No, look at his cars. What happened to buying me a Benz or something better? And then he got me that. Oh, I should be jumping because he got me a car? Hell no. And no, tell me, what would people say when they see me riding in that?
What will people say?
Yes.
That's the problem. Very well then. Well, thank you so much for ruining a beautiful day. Don't forget, this is your first week in this house.
Olive. Camry.
You have to take it easy. Women are like that sometimes.
No, but why now? Why? That car is not cheap, for crying out loud. That car is expensive.
See, Andy, at least you know the kind of person she is. All you have to do is to Learn how to handle her.
Honestly, this is unbelievable. Totally unbelievable and unacceptable.
Just calm down. Okay, take it.
Just imagine. It's well, sure. Brenda, on a real, I want you to be very sincere to me. I'm no longer angry. Why did you embarrass me in that manner?
Did I hear you say embarrass? I'm asking you, did I hear you say embarrass? Don't you think I deserve an apology for that show of shame you just put out there? Huh?
Show of shame. So, Brenda, getting you a car is now a show of shame. Huh? Brenda, so I did bad in getting my wife a car. Well, I leave everything for God. God knows I have forgiven you.
Jesus Christ the forgiver. And Gabriel, does it look like I care if you forgive me or not? Thing you packed out there is kind of gift you give to your father, not your wife. I mean, what happened to buying me the latest SUV? And you bought her on day.
Excuse me.
You were quite excused, Andy. Excuse me.
I swear I no understand you. He dey do me like a female. Make me dey love dey go. Na beg I dey beg you. Baby, why not?
Someone should wake me up from this dream. Someone better wake me up from this dream.
I swear I no understand you. He dey do me like a female. Make we dey love dey go. Na beg I dey beg you. Baby, why not? Why you? Why you? Baby, why you? Don't make me to cry. Why you? Don't leave me now.
So what are we having for dinner?
I'm not hungry. I lost my appetite.
But I'm hungry. I was actually thinking you make noodles.
I make noodles. As your chef or your maid. Andy, I'm asking you, am I your maid? I know of a millionaire who has 2 maids. 2! In his house. We can't even boast of 1. And you're sitting down here telling me I should go and make you noodles. What kind of man are you? And if you want us to have peace in this house, I have said it before and I'm going to say it again. Get a maid and stop disturbing my life. Biko.
This is not the woman I married.
You are not the man I thought I was marrying. You are not the man I thought I was marrying. Take a look at this house. Same thing in the house while I was dating you. You couldn't even change the cushions. I mean, get something like a new bed from Turkey. Change the kitchen cabinet. Get a whole new life for me. No! You want me to go to that same old kitchen?
Can you shut up, please? What was your problem?
Hey, don't tell me shut up. I said I'm shut up. Don't try it. And I said shut up. I am going to tell you the truth. Live like a big man. Live like a big man and stop being stingy.
Is this what I will see for the rest of my life? What have I gotten myself into? Huh?
I asked for some money for my cosmetics. Did you hear me?
So you're Hello, Joe. What? It's a lie. How? Jesus Christ. Okay, I'm coming there. I'm coming there now. I'm coming.
Stop. Is this what you need at? I asked for money. You're telling me. Mad. That is not work. Where's the money I asked for?
You mad?
Andy! Oh, this is the new tactics, right? No problem. You will come back here and meet me.
How did it happen? I can't even tell. I can't tell. They called me that the goods got siphoned like that. Oh, the loan I got from the bank gone. The goods, everything is no more. Eh? I just can't tell. I don't know where to go from here now. This is sad. You have to go home. Go home. Go. You don't even understand. No, how do I pay back now? How do I pay back the bank? How? Hi. Where do I go from here? Where?
Get hold of yourself, okay? We'll find a way. Hi.
You want to understand. Why now?
What is it? Is it because of that little money I asked you for my cosmetics that you've been gloomy all day? You've been like this since you came back from work. Eh? Calm down now. It's true, it's very small money.
The world is about to crumble on our heads.
Huh? It's again. Crumble. God forbid. God forbid it. The world will not crumble on my head. It will never happen. Like it will crumble.
I took some loans from the bank. I took that loan to invest in importation of raw materials. I just got a call earlier today that the ship carrying the goods were hijacked at Somalian Sea. All the goods gone and the money.
Brenda, there is nothing you will not see in this life. Biandi, what are you saying? What nonsense are you talking? Eh? Why are you so full of negativity? Why are you so corny? Nah. So because of that little money I asked for, change for my cosmetics, all of a sudden, your goods were hijacked by the Somalian pirates. Sure. Disgusting. You didn't go to work today.
So you think what I told you yesterday night was a joke, right?
Darling, I know today is 1st of April, but trust me, certainly you can't fool me. I'm going for shopping. I'll see you when I come back. Have a nice day.
It's obvious I'm alone in this. So, that's it. In the next 2 weeks, everything will be taken away from me. My companies, and this house.
Auntie, let me get you correctly. You mean you loaned money from a bank and...
A huge sum of money.
Auntie, you are too careful for this. How could you put all of that money into one business? All of it.
Well, it could happen to anybody.
I know, but not now, not at this time. I really would love to help, but I don't even have any money. Oh, God.
I just want to wake up from this dream.
You have to calm down.
How could you? How could you be too childish to believe such cock and bull story? 10 containers hijacked in one day?
I am not here to make you believe him. I'm here to urge you to please stay close to him now that he needs your help, your support, and your attention.
This is too early. Damn too early.
So all I'm saying, Brenda, wait, no, wait. Are you walking out on me? Brenda! Doesn't get any better.
What is this I'm hearing about you and the bank?
Mama. That's the situation at hand now. That's how we see it. Actually, I took some loan from the bank, for my business. Unfortunately, the business got flopped and the bank is demanding for their money. If they don't get their money, they will take everything I have. It's quite unfortunate.
You borrowed money from the bank?
Oh yes, about 50 million naira.
In other words, you borrowed a life to deceive my daughter.
What?
Oh yes? Why do you come to us like a big man?
Do you realize that you're saying a hurtful word to my soul?
What you did to my daughter is even worse. How could you deceive us? Now listen, I don't want to hear that my daughter leaves this beautiful house to anywhere. If you can no longer take care of her, bring her home and take the bride price you paid on her head. I have told him a piece of my mind. Now listen, I want you to make that house unbearable for him.
Mama, the only thing on my mind right now is how to get a divorce. Who's talking about making the house unbearable?
With a big compensation. He has to pay you for deceiving you.
Mama, just calm down. You don't need to bother yourself. At least you have done your own part. Let me do the rest. At least now it will be ringing in his head that you are not happy with him. All you need to do is just go back to the village. I will call you on the phone and give you the latest developments. Don't worry yourself.
Anyway, I trust you. Eh? I'm waiting.
Also, Adira, just go. I'll call you on the phone, okay?
Enough.
Mama, it's enough. Bye-bye. I'll be careful. I remember to call you.
I will.
Okay, you sent for me.
Where is Date? I'm afraid you have to leave for now. This is your salary for this month and next month. Just leave your job for now and hopefully I will call you back.
Oga, you sacking me? Did I do anything bad?
No, Duffy, don't do that. Don't do that. I will call you back, alright? Just go for now, okay? Hopefully I will call you back. Alright? I'm sorry.
Please. I don't have any other place to go to. Please.
Let's be a good brother.
Hi.
Yeah, smile. Are you okay?
Olive, I want a divorce.
What?
I said I want a divorce and I want it real quick.
Calm down and sit down. Please, sit down. What's going on?
I am tired of being in that toxic marriage.
Has Andy become a monster overnight? I mean, is he abusing you?
What abuse is worse than lying to a woman you just married? Barely few weeks into our marriage and he's already talking about taking a loan from the bank.
Brenda, you have to calm down.
I can't calm down.
Andy is a good person. A hard-working young man. One of the richest young boys in town. Listen, he was doing very well before you both got married. And I'm certain he must have made a wrong decision in business and that's why all these things are cropping up. Just give him time and everything will bounce back.
When? When, Olive? I feel used. I feel deceived. I feel betrayed.
You don't have to feel that way. You don't.
Are you going to help me with the divorce or not?
I'm going to have to talk to Andy about this first. Besides, you need enough reason for a divorce.
I know what I want. Yes, but have a nice day.
I'm sorry.
What do you mean you're sorry? Are you blind?
I said I'm sorry.
Just look when next you're walking.
She say our love go last, our love no go die. Waiting I see, me I agree, I don't know say na lie. You say we go there together, me and you forever. Now I don't discover, you be why your lover. If money then sugar, if you know then I big wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know there for pay as you go lover. Pay as you go lover. I know there for pay as you go lover.
Hello, pretty.
What do you want here? Do you want to push me down again?
I've told you I'm sorry. Can I sit with you?
I'm not in the right frame of mind to talk.
What is your name?
Brenda was here a couple of hours ago. She wants a divorce.
What did you tell her?
I can't tell you what I told her. It's against the ethics of the job.
But you're my friend, that's why I'm asking you.
Do you want to let her go?
Of course, you know I love her.
I know.
Olive, can you please help me talk to her?
I have. She is adamant. Her mind is made up. Listen, you have to do more. Speak to her. Beg her.
Baby, I would like to meet you again. Please make up the card.
Okay. It's alright, I'll give you a call. I need to run along.
If money then I sugar. If you know then I big wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know there for pay as you go lover. Pay as you go lover.
Such a gentleman. Thank you. So I'll give you a call. Alright.
If money then I sugar. If you know then I big wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know there for pay as you go lover. Baby, why you dey do like it is so? You won't spoil our love, oh. You say you won't go. Hey, I swear I no understand, oh. You dey do me like a film, oh. Make we dey love, dey go. Na beg I dey beg, oh. Baby, why now? Why you won't leave me now? Why?
Where's the car you left with?
I don't have time to talk now.
You dey do me like a film, oh. Make we dey love, dey go. Na beg I dey beg, oh. Baby, why now? Why you won't leave me now? Why answer my question, oh. Now I need you pass, oh.
Brenda, I'm talking to you. Where is my car?
I said I would not come back with it.
What do you mean you didn't come? So where is it?
You know what? I am sick and tired of this whole nonsense.
Come back here. Are you trying to walk out on me?
How dare you?
Where is my car? You left it.
I said I did not come back with it. What were you trying to do? Hit me? And let me warn you. This should be the first and the last time you touch me with those filthy hands of yours. Rubbish.
You're raving. Stand here and tell me where you left my car. What's your problem?
Andy, I am going to say this and I'm going to say it the last time. I'm going to make a move and go back to the room. I swear, if you try to stop me again.
I see you've lost me.
Sugar. If you know then I make you wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know they for pay as you go, lover. Pay as you go, lover. I know they for pay as you go, lover. If money then I sugar. If you know then I make you wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know.
Yeah, Olive, good afternoon. A quick one. Can you call Brenda? Tell her to bring back my car right now. If she doesn't, I will not take it lightly with her. Okay. I see you have some guts now, right? Where's the car you left with?
Andy, avoid me. Avoid me, Chukamja Yoki. Avoid me. Biko, do. Avoid me. Ha! Andy!
Get back!
Andy, don't try me. Don't try me. Andy, I'm warning you. Don't try me. Don't try me. What is it? Don't touch me.
Slap you will change color. I don't want to touch you.
Try it,
Don't
Andy.
push me.
Try it.
Don't push me.
Try it, Andy.
Go and get my car.
Try
now.
me.
One.
Andy, I'll give you a backcoat. I'll give you a backcoat right now. I'll blow you. Don't touch me, oh. Don't touch me. Andy, leave me. Leave me.
Hit you.
Andy, I am warning you. Don't touch me.
Go and bring that.
Okay. Okay, since you want us to fight, kill me. You want us to fight. Let us kill us.
Don't let me hit you.
Hit me for what?
Don't let me hit you.
Hit me. What is going on? Let me teach this idiot a lesson.
What is going on? Tell Brenda to go and get my car.
What car?
Go.
No, don't just touch me. Touch me, let me see you.
Jesus Christ.
What car? Ask him. What car are you talking about? What car?
Brenda left you. Oh, wait.
Touch me. And if you touch me.
That's enough. No, get here. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, please.
Just tell her to bring my car. That's all. Let her bring back my car.
Bring which car?
Okay.
Which car?
You have to calm down now. Just 1 minute, okay? Get here.
Shameless
No,
go.
stop.
You want to fight me because of what I car?
Don't let me.
What car?
Don't
You want
let
to
me
hit
hit
why?
you. Don't let me hit you.
She say our love go last, our love no go die. Waiting I see, me I agree. I don't know say na lie. You say we go there together, me and you forever. Now I don't discover you be why your lover. If money then I sugar. If you know then I big you wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire. I know they for pay as you go, lover. Pay as you go, lover.
My car. It's fire.
What is he talking about?
He has been barking like a dog.
Did you leave with his car?
Yes, I did.
Where are you keeping it?
I am not bringing back that car. Never.
Are you listening to yourself, B? Your husband is looking for a property to sell in order to make up for the loan he got from the bank, and here you are trying to make his life unbearable.
He has been the one making life unbearable for me.
At some point, babe, you have to listen.
Where is he? Where is that idiot? Useless man! Oh! You locked me out. So you brought here to come and fight me. I want you to do the fighting yourself.
Don't let me. Don't let me.
What will you do?
If I slap you, you will change color. If I slap you, you will go blind. Go and bring back my car.
What car are you talking about?
If I slap...
What car are you talking about? This useless man. Yours.
What is going on? Brenda, this your strategy will not work. Go and bring back my car from where you left it.
What will you do? I'm asking you.
You will not leave this house until you bring back my car.
What will you do?
You want to dare me?
I want to see what you do.
You want to dare me?
I'm daring you.
You want to dare me?
I'm daring you.
You will not leave this house until you bring back my car.
Andy, if you touch me,
We calm down and talk about this.
Olive, please. I appreciate the fact that you've been good to this family. But at this point, this woman will not leave this house until she brings back my car.
I'll say woman.
Listen, we have to just sit down and talk about this. And Brenda, if you will not listen to me or give me any respect at all, I might have to leave.
Olive, I am not going to listen or say anything concerning this matter. I won't do anything. Okay. What car are you talking about? What car are you talking about?
Please, just go. I'm not asking you to leave. But can you kindly, I'll sort this myself. I will sort it out with her. You can just go, please.
I can't.
Don't worry about it. Just go. Let me open the gate for you.
Shh. Andy, I'm warning you. I'm warning you, Andy. No, Andy, don't try. No, wait. Andy, don't try, no. Don't try, Andy. Andy, I will deal with it.
I'm a madman.
No, wait. Andy, no.
Only, that's it. Don't worry. I have ways of treating people like this. Just go. I'm not asking you to leave, but she must bring back my car. Very good. Please, wait this way.
I need to get my car. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. My hands are... Lord, please.
Don't worry, I'll manage it.
All right.
Mama, this man wants to kill me. He wants to kill me. He locked me in this house for 3 good days. He hasn't allowed me go anywhere. Mama, you should though. You should tell them in the village that this man wants to kill me. I don't know what else to do. That is just the best. Come with the youths. They need to know what is happening. Just tell the youth. Tell them that this man wants to kill me. All right.
Where is the car?
I don't know where it is.
Why are you stubborn? You bashed your husband's car. Why not tell him so that he can fix it?
Tell your friend to leave me alone. Tell him to let me go.
What you are doing to your husband is unfair.
It is your friend who is doing something that is unfair to me. Tell him to open the gate so I can go. Let me go. Tell him to just let me go. You can use the door when you are done. Excuse me.
Say our love go last, our love no go die. Waiting I see, me I agree, I don't know say I lie. You say we go there together, me and you forever. Now I don't discover, you be my your lover. If money then I sugar, if you know then I dig you wahala. Carry the go, I don't tire, I know there for pay as you go lover. You go lover, I know there for pay as you go lover.
Where is my daughter?
She's inside.
Carry the go, I don't tire. I know there for pay as you go, lover. Pay as you go, lover. I know there for pay as you go, lover.
Bibi moi. Bibi oh. No. Bibi moi. No. Mama. Oh, Mama. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Ay. Is this what other women see in their husbands' houses? Look at this. Oh my God. So you've been living with a monster? You're asking me?
Anyway, it's a good thing you're here. Please kindly tell your daughter to bring her.
Eh? Wait. So you did this to my daughter? Because of ordinary car? Ordinary car!
Okay, I want my ordinary car back in good condition. Today, tell her to bring back my car. Period.
Andy, you better take her to the hospital now.
This is going to get involved. No, your daughter thinks I'm joking. Go and bring back my car. That's fine now. Go and get my car.
I am taking this case to court.
Go and bring back my car. That's period. Stop acting free. Go and bring back my car. Because I did not touch you. If I touch you,
I will take this case to court.
Go and bring back my car.
I will take this case to court.
Let's see how you leave this house without my car.
Man. Imagine the nonsense. Eh? That overripe boy that I managed to marry. They go out. Now I call my own mother rubbish. I don't want to let me help. Because of that cheap car. His mates are there buying GLD. Our Kadaka and die. Oh, just imagine.
I want to go. Please. I don't want to die. You know he has a gun. Before you will put the gun again, please.
Just calm down. Let me talk to
Go back to the village.
Okay. Excuse me, please. Okay.
Why are you pushing her now?
I did not push her. I asked her to leave.